Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to break dance cool moves. Breakdancing is an exciting and dynamic dance style that blends athleticism with rhythmic expression. Before diving into any moves, always begin with a thorough warm-up to prepare your body and prevent injuries. Focus on stretching and light cardio for at least 10 minutes. Mastering the foundational steps is crucial for building coordination and strength, which will serve as the bedrock for more advanced techniques. Remember, consistent practice is the most important factor for success. Now let's explore top rock and footwork, two essential elements of breakdancing. Top rock is your upright dance, setting the stage before you hit the floor. Try practicing the Indian step and the salsa step to develop your rhythm and flow. Footwork, on the other hand, involves those intricate ground-level movements. The sixth step is a fundamental footwork pattern, often considered the cornerstone, and the three-step is another vital move to master. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to these foundational steps. Next up are power moves, the spectacular, acrobatic elements that truly define breakdancing. These require significant strength and control. The windmill is a classic, involving a continuous rotation of your body. For moves like swipes and the headspin, always practice with a spotter or on a soft surface to ensure safety. Dedicate 20 minutes to strength training, focusing on your core and shoulder stability, as these are crucial for executing power moves effectively and safely. Finally, let's talk about freezes and developing your personal style. Freezes are those impressive static poses where you hold a position for a few seconds, showcasing your strength and balance. The baby freeze and the chair freeze are fantastic places to begin your journey. As you progress, focus on developing your unique style by creatively combining top rock, footwork, power moves, and freezes. Practice smooth transitions between each element to create a seamless and captivating performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.